industry standards in the tile industry are interesting because they're written for the overall tile industry and not specific to the pool industry. And a lot of times they don't fit into the pool industry exactly as they should. There have been advancements as far as writing standards specific to the pool industry, but still they're difficult. So I think that what Genesis has done is shed light on that and helped articulate what works and what doesn't work. Between Ken Milbury and myself, we co-teach together. We have a really good pulse on the industry, and he is a material specialist and me as an installation specialist. We have collectively decades and decades of experience in the field. So I think that we bring a lot to the Genesis students and enlighten them as to how to use standards in the industry.